How to upload image on GhibliArt AI. So you have created an amazing piece of art and it's ready to go live on GhibliArt AI. Awesome. Let's get it uploaded quickly and smoothly. First things first, open any browser that you like. Here I'm going to use a Chrome. Let's tap on it and go inside it and search for GhibliArt AI and go to the website. And once you're inside the website, what you have to do in order to upload your image is simply tap on try it for free. Then you will be provided an option for upload image where you can upload, drag and drop your image which are in PNG, JPG or WebP. Now what you have to do is simply tap on this one over here. That will open up your gallery. Choose the photo that you want to change into GhibliArt. Simply tap on it and it will take a minute to upload. You can also give a prompt to make it as you want it to be, or if you don't have any idea on how to do it, simply tap on one of option on this one. Like here you can see transform it into the Ghibli style, make it look like Spirited Away, convert to Totoro style art and house moving castle aesthetic. Let's use house moving castle aesthetic. Then after you're happy with it, you can tap on generate Ghibli image. Let's tap on it, then confirm I am a human. Okay, I think it have made it and this is how it look like. And if you're happy with this one, simply tap on this download button over here and that will start downloading your image. And that's how you can upload your art or a photo in a GhibliArt. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.